Hey, how's life treating you? Welcome back to the PassFab channel. You've probably had an interesting experience like that. You finally dig out that old gadget from the back of the closet. Maybe it's an iPhone that's been locked away in a drawer. You turn it on and the password's gone from your head. Don't you just wish you could peek inside and revisit all those memories stored away? Here's where you can find help. Method 1. Unlock iPhone with PassFab iPhone Unlock Tool. Click the link below the video to get PassFab iPhone Unlock. Connect your iPhone to your PC with the Apple cable to prevent compatibility issues. Launch PassFab iPhone Unlock on your PC and select the Unlock iOS screen feature. You need to press the volume down button and then hold down the power button. Wait for your device to turn off and enter recovery mode. The tool will detect your iPhone and provide the latest iOS firmware. Once downloaded, click Start to remove the password. This process will take about 10 minutes. After it's done, your iPhone is now unlocked. Set up your iPhone as usual. Method 2. Erase iPhone in iCloud. For this method, ensure your device is signed into your Apple ID and connected to the internet. Access iCloud on your computer, sign in, and complete two-factor authentication. Click Find My and select your locked iPhone from the list of devices. Choose Erase this device to remove the passcode. Follow the prompts, including confirming your Apple ID password and two-factor authentication. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will be unlocked. All you need to do is set it up again. Method 3. Reset iPhone lock screen. If you've updated your device to iOS 15.2 or later, repeated incorrect passcode entries will prompt your device to display that iPhone unavailable message. Look below it and you'll see an option to forget your passcode. Here's how to proceed. Tap the Forget Passcode option. Your device will prompt an iPhone reset. Tap Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple ID password and tap Done. You'll be prompted to reset your iPhone again. Confirm by tapping. Your device will then begin the reset process, which can take between 5 to 10 minutes. Please be patient. Once it restarts, follow the prompts to set up your iPhone. Restore data using iCloud backup or set it up as a new device. Your iPhone is now ready for use. Thank you for joining me as we explored these solutions to fix a locked iPhone. If you found this video beneficial, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.